To service many internal components, you will need to remove the L-shaped side cover. To remove the side cover, first detach the Phillips No. 2 screw from the area marked Side Panel Access on the rear of the PC. The side cover locking latch will spring to the open position once the screw is removed. Press the eject button for the side cover to release the side cover. Tip up the top edge of the panel, swing it out slightly, and remove the side cover from the unit. There are two large tabs on the bottom edge of the side cover that fit into slots on the PC. There are also 4 pegs on the opposite top edge of the side cover. Let's slide into slots on the PC. To replace the side cover, press the bottom tabs into their slots. While holding the bottom tabs in place, press the top pegs into their slots. Slide the cover down until all edges are flush against the rest of the PC. Slide the locking latch for the side cover over until the security screw hole is revealed. Hold the latch there until the Phillips No. 2 screw can be replaced.